Hi, this is a quick demonstration of Fusion Analytics for quality systems. This dashboard represents data or deviations data for an entire BioPharma manufacturing organization. You can see that there are almost 28,000 records represented. You can see the open and close times over time, or the counts of open and closed over time. You can see the number of deviations by site, the number of deviations by product type, how many deviations are still open, the deviations by product, and so on. And then we have a couple of widgets down at the bottom that are natural language processing widgets, and we'll get to these in a moment. But the nice thing about this dashboard is you can select data. So if I want to look at just biologics deviations, I can click the biologics slice of the pie here, in the product type pie. And now I can see that 3 sites produce biologics. And those 3 sites produce 6 products. But which products does site 3 create? Well, I can click on site 3 and I can see that it manufactures product 9 and product 8. And so on. So I can look at which production lines are associated with product 8 and site 3 that are biologic, and then see the number of deviations by the fill line that's used to manufacture this product. So this is all great, but now let's see if we can find a problem. And one thing you'll probably notice right off the bat is the deviations by batch or by lot is very uniform, except for this one batch that appears to be giving a problem. So this batch has 47 deviations in it, while the rest have around 25 or less. So if I click on this one bar, I see that the majority of these happen in the latter part of 2021. So it was confined to that time range. But what can I tell about these? Well, I can see that the terms related to these deviations are associated with cleaning and the phrase maintenance fail. So it does look like we have a problem that we should investigate. So if I clear off this filter, I can find that a different way. So if I go down to the natural language processing widgets, I can see that the deviation descriptions have a lot of the term cleaning and contamination in terms of these bad terms. So if I select cleaning, I can see that fill line 4 and site 4 is giving me a problem. Production line 7 and site 4 is giving me a problem, and product 11. So if I select product 11, that should filter down to the associated production lines and fill lines. And I see the majority of these issues are coming from site 4, and we get to the same end. So this gives you a very cursory view. It just scratches the surface of the capabilities of Fusion Analytics for quality systems. There are lots we can do that's more advanced with natural language processing and machine learning. We can integrate with all sorts of systems. And if you'd like to learn more, please send us a note at info@novi.systems. Thank you.